Welcome everybody. Today's video finds us over here in Bangkok Noi, which is a subdivision of Bangkok. We're across the river and I'm right over here in front of the naval yards. And what we're going to do is we're going to take a quick look at an old Ayutthaya era temple. It was built in the late Ayutthaya period that has the coolest bell tower you'll ever see. The temple is Wat Phraya Tham. I'm not sure if that's like the cave of the Buddha temple or whatever, but it was named originally Wat Nak. And then King Rama II changed the name of it. So we're going to take a look at this temple. I'll show you the bell tower. And it was the site where the bell tower actually collapsed during renovation in 2018. And it injured 11 and killed 1 of the workers. And they're quite a ways along with the restoration. And we'll take a look. Over here, this is the naval yard, and the Chao Phraya River is just over there. And then it's just part of the old area down here. Right up ahead there, that is the bell tower. It's just a quiet little temple here. Most everything is going to be locked up, but I wanted to see the bell tower. And here's the little klong here. We got a monk up there. Looks like they're doing some dredging and stuff like that here. You can see the house is built along the canal. Guy delivering some ice. I've been here a few times and one of my viewers told me about it, whenever it collapsed and stuff like that. And I've came over here to see it, and it's quite a ways further along with restoration. The Fine Arts Department is the one that's in charge of doing the restoration. And the last phase, they started it in, I think, 2022. And they're gonna put some porcelain tiles on the outside, I believe. So this is what you can see right here. And then it has an Ayutthaya style hall that we won't be able to get into at all. And they're doing quite a bit of restoration around it also. And then it has a couple of the Ayutthaya style chedis over here. And it has a Luang Po Kua statue inside of there. But what is unique about this is it has the giants, and then it has the Garuda. And then it has like the naga, stuff like that up there. It is just absolutely fantastic. Yeah, when I was over here last time, none of this was done. So they've came back in and they put all the plaster and stuff. They built this fence around it to keep people out, so we won't be able to get inside of there and look at it. We can see the ordination hall here. I believe that's the seal of Rama IV. I'm not sure, or it's Rama V is who that is, King Chulalongkorn. And I'm not sure, I think they did some restoration of this underneath his reign. I think the last time this temple was restored was in like 1965. There's been a series of restoration. Now inside of there is supposed to be like the second best wooden pulpit that's Ayutthaya style. So check this out. You can see the old base of the bricks, and then this is one of the giants, and they had it covered with the little ceramic tiles. Check that out. How cool is that though? So you have the Garuda right here, and it's standing on a naga, and this is the naga right here. And then you can see the giants holding like a ring that's tied to the bell tower. And this was built under the reign of King Rama II. And then it was restored again in the reign of King Rama III in the early 1800s. And I saw some pictures of this. I'll try to put any old pictures, and I'll maybe try to see if I can find the video of after this thing collapsed. But it was in September of 2018 when it collapsed. And one of the workers, they took everybody to the hospital and they didn't know anybody was missing, and then his wife called and said he never came home. And so they came back over here and dug around and they found his body in the debris, which is a tragedy. So you got the angels there. Yeah, this is really fantastic. So the top has been completely restored. It's 100% new because the other one collapsed down.
วัดพญาธรรมผู้ติดอยู่ในซากพางคารเจดีย์ล้มถล่มลงมา
ลงมาเนี่ย
นี่คนเจ็บอีกคนนึงซอยวัดพญาธรรมนะเป็นเจดีย์ถล่มลงมาทับคนเจดีย์มันไม่ค่อยดีครับขย่มแรงมากมันก็จะถล่มลงมาอีก
ถล่มทับทั้งตัวนะโอ้โหเอาชุดทำแผลมาให้พี่หน่อย
คนเจ็บไปอีกหนึ่งครับพี่บอลคนเจ็บออกไปอีกคนหนึ่งแล้ว
น้ำเปล่าครับน้ำเปล่าให้คนเจ็บมีถังว่า
พี่เดินไปฝั่งนู้นระวังนะด้านบนมันจะถล่มระวัง
อย่าจับตรงนี้นะครับอย่าเข้ามาตรงนี้ไอ้นี่อันตรายมาก
ลงส่งว่าไปเลย
ขาครับอยู่ก่อนไงก็ปิดได้ไงคือตัวนี้มันถล่มนาน
And right here, this is the way it used to look, and this is the way they'll restore it again. I'm not sure when the Fine Arts Department plans on finishing this up, but this is unique. I've never seen one anywhere else that's like this. You can see the little tiles. So they brought those in from China. It was like the Qing dynasty of China, and they plan on procuring another shipment of them from China, is what an article I read about it said. Yeah, so this is what I wanted to see right here. The temple has a little shrine here for King Taksin the Great, and then another one of their figures over there. And then they have another one of the old monks' statues. This is a statue here for Samdet To. So the Thais will pray here and they'll shake the sticks and then they get their fortune over there. It's just a little open air sala over here next to the bell tower. Back over here you have like a general purpose hall and then the monk quarters and stuff like that. And then this is the new bell tower. They got the drum on the bottom and the bell up at the top. And you can see it's cool looking, but doesn't hold a candle to that old one that they're restoring. Yeah, as you can see here. Yeah, it's quite spectacular. And then the old hall over there. And someday maybe I'll be able to get inside of there. I've been over here and I've never been able to get inside. But they're doing restoration all around it and around the back and everything. And then you can see they got a little chedi over here. And back in that way, that's the crematorium. And then over here's the two Ayutthaya style chedis. And then they have another little moon drop over here with a Luang Po Kua. Yeah, you can see the styling of this chedi. So the plasterwork's cracked open there and there's a little tree growing. But this is a late Ayutthaya style chedi. It's not quite a bell, it's a little, like the Sri Lankan style bell, it's a little different shaped. And then it has like the 12 indented corners around it. Yeah, it's a nice enough little chedis. And then this is the Salah. We'll look at it and then look one time over here at the ordination hall. So here's the little shrine that they have. It's not locked up, just has it closed, probably to keep animals out of it. So they have the shrine here where they burn the incense, and they have the water, and then they have another image in the back, and then the one here that they can put the gold leaf on, and all the incense and the sticks that they rattle and the little prayer that they'll say. Yeah, this is kind of a cool little building. It's got a nice breeze coming through it, believe it or not. This is the back of the temple. You can see all the bricks and stuff. All the gates are locked up, so I have to stick the camera through the fence. And then what they have here, these styrofoam things are the forms that they use to make like those giants and stuff like that. And everything is locked up tight. But they've done quite a bit of restoration to the back since I was here last time. Maybe next time when I come over, I'll be able to get inside and show everybody that. Yeah, you can see this is the head of the Garuda. Kind of cool if that's how they did the forms for it. And one last look at the ordination hall. Yeah, it's a quiet little temple just down this little soi, but this is the highlight of it for sure. All right, guys, that's going to finish up our video over here at this Ayutthaya era temple, Wat Phraya Tham. This is definitely something you want to see. If you're into cool buildings like this, like I am, then you would want to come over here and take a look at it. The bell tower is unique. I've never seen anything like it. The rest of the temple is all locked up, and they are doing some restoration and stuff like that. So maybe in a year or so, depends on the speed of the fine arts department. You never know. They move at their own speed. So anyway, hopefully it'll be done one of these days, and I'll come back over and visit this place again. It's really nice. I really want to get inside and see, you know, that wooden pulpit and see how it's carved and everything. I like stuff like that. So anyway, if you liked the video, definitely smash the like button. Subscribe if you're new to the channel. It's free and easy to do and helps my channel grow. And you can share the videos, do all that stuff if you would like. It all helps me, and then more people can see it. And if you know anything more about this temple, then leave me a comment down below and tell me. This was told to me by one of my viewers, and I appreciate it. So hopefully he sees this soon and lets me know what he thinks. And leave me a comment, tell me what you think. And until next time, from over here in Bangkok Noi, remember, life is a journey. Until next time, enjoy.